In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Slack account permanently. However, it's important to note that you cannot completely delete your Slack account. Instead, I'll guide you on how to deactivate your account, which essentially accomplishes the same goal by removing your access from all workspaces. To begin this process, first, you'll need to head over to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to slack.com. This is where you'll manage all the necessary changes to your account settings. Once you're on the Slack homepage, it's time to sign in. You'll see options to enter your email directly, or if you prefer a quicker method, you can sign in using your Google or Apple accounts. Choose the option that is most convenient for you, and follow the prompts to log in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be presented with a list of available workspaces. Select the workspace that you wish to deactivate your account from. This step is crucial because Slack operates on a workspace basis, meaning you need to deactivate your account individually for each workspace you belong to. Now that you're in the workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with a series of options. The next step is to click on Profile. This will take you to your Slack profile page where you can view and edit various aspects of your account. On your profile page, look for the ellipsis icon near the View As button. Clicking on this ellipsis will reveal more options. Here, you'll want to select Account Settings. This area is where you can find all the settings related to your Slack account, including deactivation options. Scroll down towards the bottom of the Account Settings page. This is where the option to deactivate your account is located. Look for a button labeled Deactivate Account and click it. Slack will then prompt you with a confirmation window. This step is designed to ensure that you truly intend to deactivate, as deactivation is an important decision. As a final step, Slack will ask for your password to confirm that this action is authorized by you. Carefully enter your account password in the provided field, and then click on Confirm Password. By doing this, you formally initiate the deactivation of your account. And there you have it. Your Slack account is now deactivated for that workspace. Remember, if you're part of multiple workspaces and wish to deactivate your account in each, you'll need to repeat these steps for every individual workspace. This concludes our tutorial on deactivating your Slack account. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.